Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm here to give you the most distressing news about the Z Fold 3 as one of its most anticipated features which we all were expecting, and it was the talk of the town for quite a few months now, might not have actually made the cut in the ultimate model. Yes, you are exactly right. I'm talking about the under-display camera or the UDC, which multiple reports previously suggested would come on board the Galaxy Fold 3, whereby enabling the device to be completely notchless with very slim bezels, as the selfie camera on the foldable display will be placed underneath the actual display panel. However, the latest renders that were leaked just hours ago by a very noted tipster, Evan Blass, finally spills the beans for us. If you look closely at the render, you will notice that the Fold 3 doesn't seem to have an under-display camera. Instead, it appears to feature a standard punch hole setup. While it is possible that the render is merely just showing us where the UDC will be located and how it will look like when the camera is enabled, but that is a very tough guess to make, especially when the company is in its last leg of production. There is also another possibility as per which all the earlier whispers we heard about the Fold 3 featuring UDC blah 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 were incorrect, and now that could very well be true, as we won't know for sure until the device leaks on video or it ends up being officially unveiled. But there is also an interesting revelation, as the image shows an S Pen with the Fold 3 model, and if we take a magnified view, then we can clearly see that the S Pen has a text Fold Edition written on the side, barring which it seems to have the same design as the S Pen that Samsung sells for the Galaxy S21 Ultra and bundles with its tablets. Yes, it is bigger than the S Pen you get on the Galaxy Note smartphones, and that is because the Z Fold 3 won't have a built-in slot to store the stylus, as that will probably be always exclusive to the Note series, at least until that series continues to exist. That said, in one of my recent videos comments, it was queried that whether the Fold 3 will come with an S Pen out of the box. Well, I'd like to stick with my answer that the S Pen will likely be a separate purchase, though it could be offered for free to those who pre-ordered the Z Fold 3. A special case that can hold the S Pen will no doubt be one of the accessory options provided by Samsung, similar to the one you can buy for the S21 Ultra. Apart from that, we have also managed to get some of the specs of the Fold 3 out of its recent FCC certification, which is one of the final steps before a device launches in the market. As per the certification, the Fold 3 will support an S Pen, though the device won't have a built-in slot for the stylus. But the FCC docs does talk about magnetic induction, which is used for wireless charging, so it is quite possible that Fold 3 will at least be able to charge the stylus similar to how the Galaxy S7 tablet does it. The model will definitely support wireless charging at 9 Watt, while going the wired route, a 25-watt charger is also supported. The device will have a 4275 mAh battery built out of two different cells and will come with Samsung's One UI 3.1.1. That being said, I hope you really enjoyed this wholesome trip of the Z Fold 3 in this video, and if you did, then don't forget to comment how shocked you are, and with that, like this video, share it with your friends, while also consider subscribing my channel for similar updates in future if you like my content. Thanks for watching.